Hello my friends, I'm Mr. Boy. Today I want to introduce you a sweet bread which is so good for your breakfast, so stay with me. Well, the bread we want to bake in this video is called Shirmal bread, a traditional bread which is easy to bake, and there is the recipe too. Like and watch the video. At first, add some sugar into the mixer. If you don't have a mixer at home, you can bake this bread into a pot, but it will be easier if you use a mixer. And now add water to the mixer. A hot or lukewarm water is suggested for this video. I will write down the exact recipe in the description part for you. Mix them well till the sugar dissolves. It's time to add baking powder. And now vanilla. Then some turmeric powder. And then yeast to the mixer. And now here is the main part, which is white flour. Its extraction rate is 80%. Do not forget to use the exact extraction rate. Add cooking oil into the mixer. Mix them well. Let the paste rest for 2 hours in order to get bulky like this. Cover it in order to keep air entering the pot. Now, 2 hours passed and the paste is ready. It's time to molder. Pour some flour on the paste. Now, let's do the moldering and shape the paste like this and put them into a pot full of bran. After the moldering is over, let the paste rest for half an hour in order to get bulky again. Well friends, half an hour passed and we go for the next step. First, add some egg to the paste. Cover the paste with the egg. Then widen the paste and make holes like this and put them in the oven. Wait for 5 or 6 minutes for the bread. It can be baked in 180 degrees centigrade in the stove. I will tell you more in the description. Well friends, here is our Shirmal bread that I promised you before. Its taste is wonderful, you must try it. So tell me, how was the video? Did you like it? Do not hesitate to like this video, buddy. I'm waiting to get your likes. Also, if you want to learn how to bake this Kashmiri's delicious bread, I suggest you to watch this video.